What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. I know y'all didn't see this one coming, man. Y'all head back there, man. Got a surprise guest, which y'all seen by the thumbnail. So, yes, indeed, man. We got a great collab coming. I told y'all, man, we linking up with some real ones this year, man. We linking up with some real ones, and we making some stuff happen, man. So, without further ado, let's do it. Y'all see it, man. Look. Look who here, man. Yes, indeed, man. Look who here, man. Life with the Ikes, man.
Life with the Ikes. Check me out.
Got the merch on, man. Hey, I gotta buy one of those shirts. I meant to tell you when you first pulled up.
I got them all in the truck.
Yeah, I got to buy one, man. Them shirts is clean. I saw them on their channel.
Man, my wife came up with the whole design, bro.
She got down, man. I saw them on your channel.
She made the whole design, bro.
I like them colors too, man. I like the color choices, like.
That's why I told her, I was like, girl, you did that. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, she got down, man. She got down. That's so gangster, man.
She did the whole thing. She designed this shirt on her phone.
Yeah, she the truth, man.
She did this on her phone and
y'all go to the channel, man, support and get the merchandise.
She done this on the channel too.
Man, them things.
She got like 3 more other designs coming.
I told her, man, I got to have one, man. I had to buy one. Okay.
We got this coming in different colors too. We got this color. We're gonna do it in like a peach color. Then we're gonna do a white shirt.
Gotcha.
We're gonna have all that at a car show too. We're having on July 23rd.
Man, y'all make sure y'all check that out. Y'all check it out. He here, man. He is here. I told y'all.
Y'all gonna ride in the spot.
Yes, sir, man. I'm finna ride in there. I told him I had to go change shirt, man. It's too clean. It's too clean to hop in this joker, boy. Yes, sir. Look at this joker, man. I'm gonna give y'all a more formal walk around of this car, man. This thing good. Nasty. It's so nasty. Running good. All the way from Mississippi, man. I told you we collab with real ones all 2022. The real ones. They're really back. We got the same tape, man. I told him, look at that front end. Look at that front end, boy. Woo-hoo. Look at that front end. Nasty. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy channel, man. One of the people I watch. I told y'all I be watching a lot of people, man. Y'all don't even know it. Y'all don't even know it. Look at that. Ooh. Woo. Too nasty. You know you got to be a real when you're at the house, man. Too nasty. I'm finna ride in there on the 8s with the clean interior. I got to ride in there first. I told him I got to take him for a ride second. We can go in mine after he done sweated. We done sweated and all that. So he got them snowballs going in there. So I'm finna ride with my boy Ike, man. We're gonna get to it. Now stay tuned. Alright, y'all, look, we taking in, man. So, hey, we with Ike rolling, man. This car here on the interstate, riding so smooth. Y'all see it?
Yeah.
The windows up. I told him hey, he done spoiled me, man.
Gotta have that AC now.
Hey, he done spoiled me, boy.
Gotta have that AC, bro.
And it blowing good too, boy. Y'all see?
Hey,
y'all see our faces ain't shiny.
We ain't sweating no more. We ain't sweating no more.
We ain't shining, man. We was shining earlier out there at the house. I said, look, I went and changed shirt. I told him, I said, I think we ain't gonna ride in your car first. I said, then we get out, we start swimming, we can get in the hot box.
Yeah, we get in the hot boxes and do what I do.
Hey, look at this. Look at these seats, man. Look at these seats, man. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a detailed walk around of that car and stuff, man. But we on the interstate, we rolling, man, taking a little drive. We're gonna head over to Lawless, so I'm gonna show him on Meats. Let him check out Meats for the first time, man. There's a YouTube legend, man. You got to see Meats.
I ain't lying.
It's that, man. So y'all gonna have to check that video out on their channel, cause he about to shoot that. I want y'all to check his channel out and see the reaction and all that, cause he gonna see everything. And look, y'all really want to check his channel out anyway, cause I already told him. I had told him I wasn't showing him no more.
Yeah.
So y'all really gonna see some exclusive stuff on his channel. Cause I told y'all now, I wasn't showing y'all no more unless y'all was in the BCG Hangout. But man, y'all go to Life with the Ice, y'all gonna be able to see what meat's coming, and y'all gonna want to see it. Trust me, y'all gonna want to see it. So I'm giving him the exclusive. So y'all go check it out.
On Life with the Ice. Make sure you check us out.
Y'all check him out on serious now. Y'all gonna want to see now. If you're in the BCG Hangout, the members, y'all done saw y'all up to date, but y'all ain't up to date. So y'all gonna want to go over there and check that out, man. But that car rides so smooth. It's so nice, man. Like, yeah, hey, you gave me motivation. I got
that's the same thing Rick said when he very first rolled in it with me.
Yeah, gave me motivation.
Like, bro, he was like, dog, I see why people put coilovers and put this and that on their car. I said, bro, honestly, I built the car around the ring.
Right.
The only reason I got this little vibration now is because I need to change that tire because I hit pothole in me. Other than that, my car rides smooth. Like we got 15s on it.
Hey, I can tell though, I can tell moves at low speed.
Low speed, you don't feel nothing.
It ain't nothing, man. Nothing. Like I said, I already knew. Y'all know I'm a car guy too, so I already know, but that's why I ain't saying nothing. But said that tire, change that sewing machine, man, cause it rolled so smooth, man, coming out from the house and everything. Like, it really a nice car. It's a nice car, man, but it gave me motivation to get my interior straight and all that Dolo. But I got some big things coming with Dolo, man. I'm gonna tell you.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna tell him on camera what I'm gonna do, cause y'all just gonna have to see. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all see it, man. We came over here to Lawless. Man, this over here so clean, man. Look. I had to get y'all so y'all can see it now. In the light, running good. Cold air intake sucking, boy. It's over there sucking, working. It's over here is too nasty, man. Let me get that thumbnail for y'all. Get that thumbnail for y'all, man. I done fell in love with this car, man. Y'all know I always be on it going faster, but that's why I like R&B too. And stuff like this, man, it's a nice change of pace. Like it ain't slow. Got a little something in it, but you can drive anywhere. But I love the interior, man. Look at that. It's beautiful. Well, I said we got similar taste, cause like we were talking about. I told him I like that he kept the factory theme. Kept the factory thing and pattern on the seats, on the door panels. Like to be different, man. Instead of everybody being the same, like got the two roofs. Instead of everybody being the same, man. Kept the tail lights the same, just like I'm gonna do Meats. It's over here so much cleaner in person. Then on the channel when you see it, man, it really is. It cleaner in person. This over here is nasty. Too nasty. And turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all, we checking in, so we about to head back to the house, man. This old clean box that spoiled me, man. It's so-called, man, like so-called clean. Got to see this, man. Total package. So, we're gonna get back to the house, man, have a little fun, chill out, kick it, isn't it? And y'all know, we might hit a block or something, man. I might hop in RV, hit a block, I don't know. Y'all, stay tuned. All right, y'all, taking it in, man. Made it back to the house. Nice little ride. But I fell in love with this car, man. I done fell in love with this car. For real.
you was on the interstate doing 80.
Oh yeah, 80 mile per hour rolling.
On the AC too.
Rolling good, AC blowing good, man.
AC pumping.
Would have had the music on, but y'all know we are some content creators, so we can't get no.
We gotta get that footage.
Yeah, we have to get the footage first. We can't get no copyright.
We can't be short-standing.
Nah, we can't get no copyright.
No, them fools gonna blame you. Got doggone, you get to playing that stuff.
Yeah, exactly, man. We might take these jokers out right before we leave, man, and head town, grab something to eat or something. And I'll jump in the cutlass, so we might do that. And then, then we get we'll turn the music on, all this stuff. But y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna close y'all out in a minute. All right, we checking in, y'all. So y'all see, man, epic day. Everything put up. Ike just pulled out. Man, that car done spoiled me, man. That man got a nice machine, boy. That joker is that's a nice build. Like, that's a nice all-around build, man. Solid dude. Real good guy. Good, man. Just got a lot of stuff going, man. I like what he doing, man. I'm proud of what he doing and all that, man. But that car, you got to see it in person, man. If y'all ain't saw it, you got to see it car in person. That joker is nice. Like, it's real show car quality. Clean and the whole nine, man. It's just the whole nine. And y'all know I got more video coming. We shot quite a few today. Man. So between his channel and my channel, y'all gonna have to check him out, man, cause he got some good stuff. We got some good video today. That's all I can say. In the midst of the heat, cause it is hot. We been out here grinding, man. So y'all got to salute both of us. We've been out here in the heat grinding, man, putting that work in. But you want to move forward and succeed, that's what you got to do, man. You got to put the work in. Like, you can't, you don't stop when you're tired. You stop when you're done, man. You just don't don't let yourself fall out. We're gonna add to that phrase, man. But all in all, it was a great day. Like I said, I went. Let me see. Excuse that wind noise. Y'all gotta support him, man. I bought some merch. Man, I don't be telling nobody to give me nothing. Like a lot of folks try to give me shirts, stuff. If they want to give it to them, they ship it, I accept it. But if I'm in person, excuse me, I'm in person, I'm gonna buy it. Man, this shirt here gangster. Excuse me. This shirt gangster, man. I will be rocking this. I told you I love the colors, man, how they flow, man. That's a sick design for real. So I bought that. Like I said, man, I don't be wanting nothing free. I want support. Like, I want people to support me and stuff. Did the same thing with my boy Don't Master, man. He finna give me one of his shirts. Well, he did give me one, I take it, but he gave me one, but I bought the rest of them. Like, hey, I want support, man. If somebody rock with me, I'm gonna support them. If they positive, they ain't got to rock with me. If I just see they positive, man, they might not know me. And they got something good going. I'm gonna support them, man. That's what it's about. Black, white, whatever, man. Like, people be like, I support black owned businesses. I do. I support all businesses if it's good. If the individual behind it good. That's just how I am. Hey, it is what it is. But all in all, it was a good day, man. It was a damn good day. So, I'm finna close the thing out, man. So I'm hot. I'm finna go in the house. And I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.